What's up, YouTube? So I'm back messing with my Ring camera solar charger system. And so basically my system is keeping up kind of, but we had a couple cloudy days and it backed off a lot. I still had to change the battery out. So it's not quite keeping up good enough. So I did a little research and I found a better solution that's so much simpler. You can buy this solar panel, and this is a 6-watt solar panel, 6.1 watts I say, and it already has 5-volt voltage regulator with a USB plug. And you can even buy a set of these for super cheap. There'll be a link in the description so you can see exactly how much they cost. And then you have this link cable and you can actually hook two of them together. And the company name, SoShine. But anyhow, super easy. You don't have to solder anything, you don't have to wire anything. All you need is this solar panel and this USB pigtail. This is a 6-foot pigtail. You just plug it directly in to the solar panel, and then you've got red and black. On the back of this will be red on this side, black on this side. Wire them up, you're done. And if you're worried about making it waterproof, don't be. It's only 5 volts, and you can tuck your USB connection back here under the eave where it's not going to get any sun or anything. So for me, since I already went through all the headache of building this thing, I'm just going to keep using it. It does kind of work. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wire these together, and I'm going to wire this pigtail to the downstream side of my voltage regulator. So after my voltage regulator, before my wire goes out to my charger, and this should more than take care of my issue. This by itself is basically the exact same thing as the $100 6-watt Ring charger, but this whole package costs less than half. Anyhow, click the link in the description below. You can see how much they cost, and if you would, give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate your time. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions or anything you want to try, let me know. Anyhow, thanks again. SoCal Sniper signing out.